Hi, this is Molly from Mpress Interactive, and in this mini tutorial I'm going to be covering scale and rotate features in SimplyMpress. So there are a few different ways you can perform these actions within SimplyMpress, and there are a few differences between the desktop and mobile versions that I'll be demonstrating. So we'll start on the desktop with an image that I've placed on the page. The quickest way to scale on the desktop is by holding down the Option key. You'll notice that the icon changes to 4 diagonal arrows. Then click and drag anywhere to scale the object. To rotate, hold Command or Control on Windows, and the cursor changes to a curved arrow. You can click and drag to rotate. You'll notice that the object is freely rotating as I drag my mouse. Now, if you hold Shift and Command, you'll notice that the cursor changes to a segmented circular arrow, and this indicates fixed rotation. You'll notice that the object is jumping to fixed angles of 0, 30, 45, and 90 degrees. You can also scale an object from the toolbar scale icon. This method gives you more control with the slider and arrows that adjust in 1% increments. So here I'm just clicking on the arrows to enlarge or reduce my image 1% at a time. The other method of rotating is through the exclusive edit mode. You can access it by selecting Rotate Free or Rotate Fixed from the View menu. Or you can do Command 6 or Command 7. Now I'm in exclusive edit mode and I can perform the free and fixed rotation functions. Rotate and click Done to leave exclusive edit mode. You'll also notice that you can scale within exclusive edit mode as well. I'll go back up to the View menu and select Scale. The cursor will change to diagonal arrows and I can just click and drag to scale. And again, click Done when you're finished. So now I'm going to switch over to my tablet to demonstrate scale and rotate there. So now I'm working on my iPad. So I select the object and then touch one of the corners and hold. Once the callout appears, drag diagonally and adjust the size. If you follow the blue dot, you can see where my finger is making a dragging gesture to scale the object. To rotate, select the object with 2 fingers and rotate. Again, the blue dots indicate where my thumb and finger are making a rotate gesture to rotate the object. Also, just like on the desktop, you can scale from the toolbar. Select the scale icon and adjust with the slider or the arrows. This is especially nice when you want to get really accurate scaling that a gesture may not allow. The other way is to use the pop-up action menu. The pop-up action menu appears each time you select an object. So select the image or type and then select the scale icon. This brings you into exclusive edit mode. You can perform the same actions to rotate. Select the object, select the rotate icon on the pop-up actions menu, and rotate with a single finger. While I'm in exclusive edit mode, I want to show you a feature that's helpful when you're doing a lot of cropping. It's called the anchor location selection. You'll notice when an image or type is selected, it has a bounding box with little squares on the corners and in the middle. You'll also notice that one square has a white outline. That's the selected anchor point. All transformations take place from that location. Right now, the anchor point is in the center. The anchor location selection lets you change the anchor point location on the selected object. So when I change the anchor location from the center to the top left side, all of my transformations, such as cropping, are based from that location. I'll go ahead and change the anchor location to the top left corner. Then I'll select Rotate, and you'll see that the object is rotating from the new anchor point. The same goes for scaling and cropping. When I'm satisfied with my adjustments, I select Done to leave exclusive edit mode. So that's it for SimplyMpress's scale and rotate features. Remember, these and all other features in SimplyMpress are covered in the help. You can check out our other mini videos on our website, SimplyMpress.com, or on the SimplyMpress YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating with SimplyMpress.